In today's video, guys, I'm testing out the battery life of GoPro MAX 2, which is a 360 camera from GoPro. So how long can you actually record with it on a single battery? So I'll be testing it in both 360 mode, where MAX 2 records literally everything around you, and in single lens mode, where it behaves like a regular action camera. In single lens mode, I'll directly compare MAX 2 with GoPro Hero 13 Black, in case you're trying to decide between the two. So all of these tests are done in controlled environment. Air conditioning on, constant airflow from a small fan, and no direct sunlight. So if the camera overheats in almost perfect conditions, well, you can just imagine what might happen on a hot day outside. So in 8K 30, GoPro MAX 2 recorded for almost 59 minutes. But even with air conditioning on, no direct sunlight, and a fan blowing directly at it, it still overheated, despite almost perfect conditions during the test. So 8K resolution clearly pushes this camera to its limits. It's gonna be okay for some shorter clips, but if you want to record for 30 or 40 minutes, then you might expect some overheating. In 5.6K, GoPro MAX 2 recorded for 1 hour and 23 minutes without overheating, which is a good sign. In 5K, the camera stayed noticeably cooler, so it didn't have to work as hard. However, in 360 mode, that high resolution is split between two lenses, offering lower image quality, so it's not gonna be on the same level as 8K. And what really surprised me is that 5.6K is limited to 8-bit color only. For some strange reason, I don't know why, 10-bit color is unavailable, which is a little bit disappointing. In single lens mode, in 4K 30, the results were almost identical. There was no overheating and both cameras ran without any issues. Keep in mind that the battery of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is not brand new and the results are still similar. In 1080p 60, GoPro MAX 2 offers no real battery advantage over 4K, so the recording times were almost identical. In 1080p, GoPro MAX 2 is limited to 60 frames per second, and because of that high frame rate, the camera works almost as hard as it does in 4K. So there's no real benefit to shoot in 1080, because with 4K you get significantly better image quality with almost the same battery life. So the beauty of GoPro MAX is that you can use it as a 360 camera, but also as a regular GoPro when you just want to record a normal 4K video. So basically, it's like having two cameras in one. It just, in single lens mode, it's not as powerful as GoPro Hero 13 Black. Hero 13 Black is fully focused on traditional filming. It offers higher frame rates, 5K video resolution, and much better slow motion. With Hero 13, what you see in front of your lens is exactly what you capture. But at the end of the day, both cameras have 10-bit color, wide FOV, GP lock, and amazing video stabilization. So whichever you choose, it's gonna be great for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.